Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a language in Looker Studio. So first up, go ahead and open up a new tab. Now go ahead and type in accounts.google.com. Okay. Once done, just hit on enter and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to personal info. Just click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find general preference for the web. Okay. And here, just click on language. Now go ahead and add in another language. Okay. As you can see here, there are recommendations. Go ahead and click on save if you want it. If not, go ahead and click on plus add another language and look for the language. Okay. As you can see here, Filipino is added. Make sure that Filipino is up to the top. All right. By just clicking on the up arrow key. As you can see here, Filipino is number one. I'm going to go ahead over to Looker Studio, right click on it and refresh. And as you can see here, it is now set to Filipino. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.